Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called We're Outside. It is a four-wall dance that moves clockwise. If you're interested in the cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. And if you want to dance to the music, just watch till the end and let's dance together. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Are you ready? Let's go. So since we're going to move clockwise, which is a 2 hour right, let's start on this wall. It's a 32 count. It's a four-wall dance. Instructor is perfect working on quarter turns and also triple steps, okay? Perfect for your beginner students. So we're going to start walking to the right. We're going to walk to the right, right, left, right, tap, left. Then we're going to roll back to the left with our right shoulder coming forward, full turn. And we're going to step on our left, the right shoulder come forward. So we tap, so we step left, left, right, left, right. Again, right, left, right, tap, left, left, right, left, right, left. So I want you to do a triple step when you roll back, because our weight needs to be on the left. So instead of going left, right, I want you to do a triple step. So right, left, tap, left, left, right, left. And you do a sailor right. Right, left, left, right, left. And do that 4 times. Again, 5, 6, 7. Walk right. Right, left, tap, left, right, left. Right, left, left, left. Okay? Now you're going to start moving forward. It's almost like a pimp walk. You step 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's almost like a toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do a jazz square, right over left with a triple step. Right, left, right. Okay, so let's put that together. Walking to the right, tap left, come back left, right. A sailor right, left, right. When you do your pimp walk, you're almost kind of turning your body a little bit, almost like a diagonal turn, just so slightly, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz square, 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. All right, so let's put that together. 5, 6, 7. Walk right. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sailor 1 and 2, left, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Make sure you do that triple. Okay? Let me show you something also. So let's go back to the top. If you didn't do that triple step, okay, so I know instructed some of your seniors, they have trouble with a triple step. So let me give you another option. So walk to the right, 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if they don't want to do the triple step, just make sure they have that right leg out. Okay, the weight is still on the left. The right leg toe is down and the heel is up. So they can come back with their sailor step. Also, another option, they don't have to roll back, okay? So if they don't want to turn because they have vertical, they don't have to. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Then come back 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Another option is 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap out on 8. Sarah, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then go up 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Always instructors give your students who have those challenges options, okay? We have seniors that have mobility problems, also vertical problems or other problems. So always provide an option for them. When you do that, they don't have to go and sit down. So if they see a dance, in other words, when they see a dance, say you're going to teach this dance and you're going to do, and they see that turn, they're going to opt out. They're going to go sit down. Like, I can't turn like that or whatever. But when you give them that option, they can stay on the dance floor and learn to dance. Also, those people who have mobility, they can't do the triple step or whatever. Always do a tap out. You can always offer those students options, okay? So that's what I'm providing for you, those options. So the last step we did was a jazz square, which is right over left, right, left, right, left, right, and then we're going to do a quarter turn to our right. That's how we're going to get to our next walk. But we're going to do it with the left leg, doing a jazz square, quarter turn to your left. Left, right, left, right, left. From here, you just move back or forth. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And the dance starts over. So let's take it at this wall here. Gonna go over it, and then I want to add the count to it. Then make sure we got the steps correct, okay? So let's walk to the right. 5. So let me do a review, because I've been doing a lot of talking. So you walk to the right, you roll back to the left. You do a sailor right, sailor left, a sailor right, a sailor left. You go up, pimp walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz square, 5, 6, 7, and 8, quarter turn, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then walk back, 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? So here we go, 5, 6, roll to your right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, turn 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. And there goes your 32 count, okay? So let's start back at this wall here. So I'm going to do the roll back here. And then on this wall, I'm not going to do the turn. Okay? So let's go. Walk to the right. 5, 6, 7. And again, the name of this dance is We're Outside. Don't forget where we came from. At one time, we wasn't outside. We had to stay inside, okay? All right, guys. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Walk to the right. Walk to the right. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, turn 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Pimp walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Turn 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Turn 1, 2, 3 and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That is 4 wall dance. We're outside. Okay? Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. I have an exciting announcement coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. My name is Linda Sims. Make sure you share this video. I am the Who Dat Teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.